Welcome to Rhythm and Glow Soul Sessions, where we provide the rhythm and guide you to discover the glow within. Whether you're here to find a moment of peace in a busy day or to start a journey towards sustained well-being, you've taken a wonderful first step. Today, we embark on a journey into the world of meditation, a powerful practice that can enhance your life by promoting mental clarity and emotional health. Whether you are new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this session will guide you through the fundamentals and then lead you into a peaceful, meditative experience. Meditation is the art of focusing your attention to a point of reference. It involves tuning out external stimuli and calming the mind through techniques such as mindfulness, focused attention, and controlled breathing. The benefits of meditation are well documented and vast. Regular practice can decrease stress, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, enhance your concentration, and improve your overall psychological well-being. It can also increase your awareness of yourself and your surroundings, helping you to lead a more connected and fulfilled life. Before we begin our meditation for today, let me share a little about our channel, Rhythm and Glow. Here, we blend the soothing power of guided meditations with the rhythmic calm of lo-fi music to create a unique meditative experience. Each session is crafted to help you find relaxation and mindfulness through the harmonious interplay of sound and silence. Our meditations are set to carefully selected lo-fi beats that provide a gentle backdrop to your meditation journey. Lo-fi music is known for its smooth, mellow soundscapes that incorporate real-world sounds, subtle imperfections, and a relaxing tempo that aids in concentration and relaxation. This music not only enhances the meditative experience, but also helps in reducing stress, soothing anxiety, and fostering a deep sense of peace. As we proceed with our session, allow the lo-fi beats to guide you into deeper relaxation. Notice how the music interacts with the guided instructions, enhancing your ability to focus and remain present. Whether you're new to meditation or an experienced practitioner, the combination of lo-fi beats and mindful breathing offers a refreshing path to tranquility. Now let's do a quick, simple meditation. Let's begin our practice by finding a comfortable position in a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, on a cushion on the floor with your legs crossed, or even lie down if that's more comfortable for you. Gently close your eyes. Let your body begin to relax as you start to focus on your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Fill your lungs completely and let in all that positive energy. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go all your worries, doubts and fears. Feel as your body starts to relax. Let's do this 2 more times, each time feeling more and more relaxed. Inhale deeply through your nose. Slowly exhale through your mouth. Once more, inhale. Slowly exhale. With your eyes closed and your body relaxed, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a sense of warmth or a soft glow that begins to travel down from the top of your head, slowly moving down to your forehead, to your eyes, loosening any tension as it goes. Feel this warmth move to your neck and shoulders. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel any tension melting away from these areas. As the warmth travels down your arms, to your hands and each finger. Breathe deeply and release any stress you might be holding. Now let this relaxing sensation travel back up your arms, through your torso, and down through your hips and legs. Feel the warmth soothing each part as it slowly moves down to your feet and toes. As you focus on each breath, imagine the air you breathe in is filled with peace and calm. Each exhale releases worry, stress, or discomfort. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This is normal, and each time you return your focus, you are strengthening your meditation practice. As this meditation comes to a close, take a few more deep breaths and start to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your arms or legs if you need to. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to pause and connect with your inner peace through our guided meditation. We hope this session has brought you a sense of calm and rejuvenation. If you found value in today's meditation, please give us a like to let us know. Your support helps us continue to bring these peaceful moments to you and others. Don't forget to subscribe to Rhythm and Glow and hit the notification bell so you never miss a session. Join our community and be the first to access new meditations that help you maintain your rhythm and enhance your glow. Explore more meditations and lo-fi sessions on our channel to find your perfect relaxation soundtrack. Whether you're looking for a quick midday reset or a deep evening relaxation, we're here to help you find your calm. Thank you for being part of the Rhythm and Glow community. Until next time, keep finding your glow, peace, and serenity.